Welcome to another R&DW Adventures. I'm Darryl.
And I'm Renee.
And we got something a little different for our brick builds, because it's not really a full brick build.
Right.
But we've got these Looney Tune minifigures that we spotted at the Legoland gift shop by us.
And if
Legoland
you watch,
Discovery Center gift shop.
And if you watch any of our videos, especially our Mouse Mondays, usually we like blind bags.
We love blind bags, and these were a little pricey at $5 a piece.
But they're so cute.
Well, which is why we only got 10 of them, but we made a mistake in that there's 12 in this series. We should have gotten at least 12.
We should have.
But there's only really a few of these that we want. We want the Tasmanian Devil. We want, I don't think all 12 are on here.
They're not. I think that's why we got 10.
But there's Marvin the Martian.
He was on the box.
Yeah, on the box they had Marvin the Martian. They had a couple of others that we wanted. On here, they don't have all of them, and most of the ones that we wanted don't seem to be on here.
Right, that's
so
weird. Now I don't remember what we wanted. And you're the only one with scissors.
Yes, I am. But one of the things I noticed is we've got these batch numbers up here that I don't know if they actually mean much, but we do have at least one that's a different batch number. So you've got the
8.
Yeah, she's got the 8. And we've got a 7, and I think
there
was a 6.
The rest of them are 7. Oh.
So there could be, all of these have pretty much the same thing. But I'm going to open.
We'll find out.
The first one.
Is yours a 7? I'll open a 7.
This is a 7.
Oh, you have to put it together?
Yeah. They're minifigs. Of course you have to put them together. So I have Babs.
Yeah. Yep. That's the one I least wanted.
Babs?
Oh, I have Tasmanian Devil.
Ooh, sweet. Tasmanian Devil's one that we wanted. Alright, so we've got Babs. And there's a little booklet in here.
I don't know what this is. What's this tail? Yeah, it goes like this.
Oh, it has the assembly instructions for
look at that.
Some, not all of them.
Okay.
That's really weird. But now we've got our checklist that we can look at what we've got. So I wanted... Tasmanian Devil has like a pie too.
Yeah.
Oh, he is cool. But I wanted the Tasmanian Devil. I want the... Marvin the Martian, of course. I like Speedy Gonzales. I kind of wanted him, and I want Tweety. What's what?
This blue part.
That's the pie, I think.
No, this is the pie.
Oh.
There's a pie.
Do you have your assembly instructions?
Yeah,
that actually
probably.
Oh, right here. It tells you right there. That's probably so you can spin them around.
Ah, okay. And this is if we don't want to spin them around?
What? Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's just the base. My next one is not the same.
So Tasmanian Devil is holding a pie somehow.
And a drumstick.
I don't know how many people. Oh, a pie. There we go. Ah! I dropped his wind. It's over here. It's not easy to do. Here. Oh, I'll get it later. It's under the camera.
Oops. There.
Well, that goes. Alright. It's not how it goes.
Oh, I see. We're missing the spinny thing. So, there we go. We'll do this for now.
Okay.
There we go. Because we're taking too long.
Yes, we are. Okay. I'm going to open the 8.
Alright,
You've got a 5.
I've got a 5. Okay. Oh, it's Petunia, I think was her name. The pig. The female pig.
Okay.
Who has a tea set.
good. Look, I got Porky.
Oh, cool. So we have the couple. She has two. Porky has an That's All Folks sign. That's awesome. But she has two cups, so there we go. We've got her with her tea set. And this is another 7. Yeah, you actually probably need that for the sign. Oh, you got it done? Cool. Ooh, sweet. I got Tweety.
Oh, cool.
I thought I saw a Tweety bird. That's
And
really
he's
bad.
got,
Sorry.
there's an extra sign post if you don't want him to hold the sign. Or if you lose it, I suppose.
All right, I need the instructions because I got to figure out Tweety bird. There we go. And Tweety holds it that way. Oops. Shoot. Fortunately, I didn't need that part.
Okay. I have the Roadrunner.
Yay! Roadrunner. The coyote's after you.
Uh-oh.
This is not going together the way it's pictured. Let me try this again this way. There we go.
Here's all 12 of them, though.
Yeah, that's why we're
There's
showing
a Speedy
on camera.
Gonzales.
Yes, that's the other one I said I wanted. There we go. Okay, so Tweety now has his hammer, which you were saying you couldn't remember. Well, that's weird. He's in a bag.
Yeah, he came in another bag, except for his tail.
All right, so there's our Tweety with the Tweety has the hammer that's too big that you can't see him
Oh, that's funny.
on camera. There we go.
How do you know which one's the front? Oh, wait, where does this go? This goes on his head.
Okay, this one's another 7.
So this
But
one's
at least,
cool.
at least we've proven that the batch numbers don't mean you have the same thing.
His,
I got another Tweety. Our first duplicate.
his arms move.
Maybe I'll take a Tweety to work or something.
Okay.
Put it on my desk.
Okay. And this is eggs? What is this?
I'm not sure. It's been too long since I watched Roadrunner cartoons.
Here's Roadrunner. We have an extra one of these. We can make the eggs stand up taller, I guess. Whatever they are.
Alright, so another Tweety. We're going to have to compact these guys together.
There you go.
And you're a whole one behind me now.
I am.
I was trying to get them alternating, but...
Well, I got confused. I got held up with I got a Roadrunner. I mean a Coyote. Wile E. Coyote.
Oh, yay! But we're still missing the one I really wanted.
Came in another bag too. Oh, and this bag's stuck in here.
Yeah, that bag got sealed in the other bag.
And he's got his head. Just his head.
That's all you need to identify him.
This is true. Oh, there's a lot of little pieces here.
That's why they have a little bag for him. And my last one,
Oops, I forgot his tail.
I didn't cut open quite wide enough. I think it's a porky, which makes me sad. Yes, it is a porky. Not that I don't like
Does
porky,
his tail
but
go up or down?
up.
Come back here. Don't go away.
Helps to put the sign up the right way. We do have quite the nice menagerie going.
Oh. Okay. Well, put. I don't get it.
I think you have extra pieces.
Look.
Yeah, you have extra pieces.
Okay, so I think. Ouch. This
It's
one.
supposed to be an anvil, I think.
I know, but I can figure out how to make one go.
Here. But you have too many pieces. They gave you spares. This is all you're supposed to do.
No, but it has it.
And then this goes in his hand.
Oh, this goes on. This goes on the other side.
Doesn't show it. It's this because that's a spare for this. So you already have it. And then this. I can't get him to hold it. So I'm just going to put it there for now. Nope, he's got to go over here. There we go.
So we just have some extra pieces.
Yep. Yeah.
Okay.
We've gotten a few extra pieces out of this. As I drop the remote for the camera that turned off.
Alrighty then. What do we got last? Another Tasmanian Devil.
Which is cool because I like the Tasmanian Devil, but that's a few too many Tasmanian Devils.
I know someone who will want it.
Other than you?
Yeah. But I might take it to work.
I was going to say, these are so cute. I'm going to take them to work, I think.
Not the pig. I'm not taking the pig to work.
Well, but that's all, folks.
That's true.
Speaking of that's all,
all,
folks, why don't we wrap it up so that Renee can finish that up while we're doing this. And click on the channel icon over here so that you get more of our videos, including clicking on the subscribe and the notification bell so that you get notified when we actually go live, when we have new videos that drop. He doesn't spin all that well. It's kind of disappointing.
It is very disappointing.
But over on this side, we're going to put another one of our brick builds playlists so that if you like the Lego stuff, you can check out more videos. Very much different than this because we're actually building the Legos rather than just opening them.
Right.